Sir, now let me summarize all the features related to Python, whatever we covered. Observe carefully, sir. What is the first one? Simple and easy to learn. Sir, have you observed? Reading Python program is just like reading English language. It's a very simple, concise code. Concise code is the biggest advantage. We can reduce development time and we can reduce project cost also. Okay, everyone can able to learn very easily, sir. Just only 33 keywords are available. If you understand those 33 keywords, you will become Python expert. Remember, what is the next one, sir? It is the freeware and open source. To use Python, we are not required to pay single paisa because Python is coming from Python Software Foundation, a non-profitable organization, right? Okay. Next, it is the open source. So we can access source code of the Python based on your requirement. You can customize Python and happily you can use that customized version. Jython, Iron Python, PyPy, like multiple Anaconda Python, Minaconda Python, like there are multiple Python versions are available. Okay, like next, high level programming language. Okay, so it is a programmer friendly language. Remember, next, low level activities like memory management, security, object destruction, all these low level activities my Python virtual machine is going to take care. Being a programmer, we are not required to worry about these activities, right? Clear for all of you, right? So high level programming language. Next, platform independent nature. Sir, write once your Python application, you can run on any platform. Okay, Python never going to depends on particular platform. If I write one Python script, it can run on Windows machine, Linux machine, Mac machine. Who is the responsible to convert that Python application into platform specific? Internally, Python virtual machine is the responsible. Python virtual machine is the platform dependent, but Python application is platform independent. Remember that. Next, portability, sir. We can migrate Python application from one platform to another platform very easily without performing any changes. We can migrate Python applications from one platform to another platform very easily, sir. Today I'm using Windows, but tomorrow Windows license cost is a bigger headache for me. Security is also not up to the mark. I want to migrate my Python program from Windows machine to Linux machine. Happily you can do same functionality you are going to get. You are not required to perform any code changes. So migration will become very easy, which is nothing but what? Portability, right? Next, dynamically typed. Do you know this is Python specific? This feature is not available with C or C++ or Java or C#.NET, right? So dynamically typed. So in Python, we are not required to declare type explicitly based on our runtime requirement, based on our provided value. Automatically type will be considered. Regarding this behavior is nothing but what? Dynamically typed. We can use the same variable for multiple types based on our requirement. That flexibility is also there to the programmer. Okay, like next, both the procedure oriented, object oriented, sir. Sir, you know Python is all rounder. He can perform keeping, he can perform bowling, he can perform batting also. Okay, like same way. So Python is object oriented, procedure oriented. Okay, like even scripting language, modular programming language based on your requirement. In any style you can use Python. Happily Python can mold based on your requirement, right? So Python can enjoy the benefits of procedural programming, object-oriented programming, next scripting language benefits, modular programming language benefits. All those benefits by default will be available to the Python. Sir, it is also Python-specific behavior which is not there for C, which is not there for Java, which is not available for C, C++ or C#.NET, right? Okay, Python-specific. Next, Python is interpreted. We are not required to compile. We are not required to compile. Internally, Python interpreter is going to take care about compilation, syntax checking, all those things Python interpreter will take care, sir. We are not required to compile. Python interpreter is a part of Python virtual machine. Of course, internally take care. Just we have to execute Python code. Okay. Next, extensible means you can use other language applications in Python. Okay, inside Python, Java application you can use, .NET application you can use, C language application you can use, right? Python application will become extensible. Okay, like next, embedded, sir. You can use your Python application inside C application, Java application, right? Python applications can be embedded anywhere, okay, which is nothing but what? Embedded. So if you have embedded capability, your application will become powerful. The scalability of application is going to be raised like anything, sir. Okay, well, next, Python having extensive library. Tons of libraries are available inside Python, inbuilt libraries, third-party libraries, right? For every requirement, libraries are available. Do you know, even complex requirements also, with these libraries, happily we can write the code, sir. Do you know, it is also Python specific behavior. This much library support, no other language having, sir. What is this one? Extensive library. Each library itself is a battery. Python has batteries, means that Python has libraries. Clear for all of you, right? So these are, sir, 11 important features what you have to explain. If any person is asking, can you please explain features of Python? But especially these three: dynamically typed, procedure oriented, object oriented, all rounder. Next, extensive library. These are specific to Python. These features are not supported in Java or C or C++ or .NET, right? Is it clear for all of you, right? That's all, sir. By mistake, any person is asking, can you please explain features of Python? Give left and right to that person. Clear, right?